Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you 3 prompts, which you can use in ChatGPT, will blow your mind. Open a browser, like Google Chrome, Edge or anything. For this video, I am using Edge. Now, open Edge and type chat.openai.com and hit Enter. Now, click on Login button and log in into your account. I will teach you 3 prompts today which will blow your mind and gives you an idea about how to use ChatGPT. First prompt. If you want to save hours of research time and need expert-level advice instantly, I have a prompt for you. Click on the message box and type Act as an expert. Your field with 20 years of experience. Break down complex topic into a step-by-step guide for beginners. Component placement. You can give any filed name and experience as you like. For this video, I'm giving as software engineer with 20 years experience to tell me about coding tutorial. So I will give prompt as act as an expert software engineer with 20 years of experience. Break down coding tutorial into a step-by-step guide for beginners. And hit Enter. You can see ChatGPT will give you step-by-step guide. Now let's take a look at second prompt if you want to overcome writer's block instantly. You can use this prompt. Click on the message box and type Generate a viral YouTube script about topic in the style of famous YouTuber. You can give any topic and YouTuber name as you like and hit Enter. In this video, I'm giving as Generate a viral script about using AI in the style of Mr. Beast and hit Enter. Boom! You can see it gives you a script as you like. Now last one, but not least one. If you want to spark real entrepreneurial ideas, this prompt will definitely help you. Click on the message box and type, Give me 10 untapped business ideas combining Trend A and Trend B with low startup costs. You can give any trends you like. For this video, I'm giving prompt, like give me 10 untapped business ideas combining 2 trends with low startup costs and hit Enter. You can see it provides you a various business ideas. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.